which was the fruit of knowledge, and he gave it to Lord Shiva and his wife Parvati, and they decided to share it with their boys. They in fact decided that they were going to have a contest and give it to the boy. They have two sons. One is Ganesha and the other is Murugan or Kartikeya. So they decided whoever was the smarter one should get the fruit of knowledge. So they posed a problem to these two boys and they said, whoever goes around the world thrice will get the fruit. Kartikeya was a very fast-thinking boy. He got into his peacock and he flew off and decided to circle the world thrice. Ganesha, on the other hand, thought about it for a little while and decided he was going to come around his parents thrice, because he decided that his parents meant the world to him and they were the world and the universe, in fact. So when he came around his parents thrice, Shiva gave him the fruit, and Kartikeya just happened to finish his third round, and he came in and saw Ganesha getting the fruit. And he said, how is that possible? How did he get the fruit? He just was here. So Shiva explained to him that as parents, he thought that they were the world, and he was the smarter kid. So Kartikeya was very upset about it and decided to take off and go to Parani to get knowledge. So this song is going to show in Tamil the story that I've just narrated, and these two young beautiful ladies are going to show it in the dance. Thank you.
I